But no, for real, YouTube is the devil. You watch all them videos, thinking that you know what you're doing. Not to mention, like, I had like a really nice like Doobie Day run back in my middle school, high school days. Y'all know. But I'm saying though, like, I just went through all of this. I have all the right products, the moves, the rollie. I got the professional hooded dryer, like, and these shits came out like okay. I don't know. Shout out to Max as though they was doing me right because I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know, y'all. And I don't have like the little round Boris bristle brush, so I can't even like really like do my roots, like a blowout, whatever. I'm really gonna have to go in and flat iron my hair, but it's whatever. And not to mention, like, I don't get it. When I was relaxed, I used to get doobies. They would put me in the dryer. I'm looking at my heated dryer now. I see that it's for an hour. They're turning shit back on for a whole nother hour. I just had to do the same thing. I was relaxed back then and I'm natural now. My hair is thicker. So I don't get it.